Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Product. Today we're taking a quick look at the Hurdle HUR VBTR30, one of the best vibration plate exercise machines for full body toning and home workouts. So let's get started. Product features: full body fitness and flexibility. The UHR-VTR30 uses dynamic oscillating motion technology to engage the entire body. This vibration helps tone muscles, improve balance, and increase flexibility. It's especially effective for targeting areas like the abs, thighs, and glutes. Perfect if you're aiming for a more sculpted physique. Effective weight loss and fat burning. This vibration platform does more than tone. It supports weight loss and fat burning. With consistent use, it can boost metabolism, improve blood circulation, and help burn calories more efficiently. Pair it with a healthy diet, and you'll likely see faster results. Convenient for home use. Designed for easy plug-in operation, the HUR-VTR30 fits well in home gyms or small apartments. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to store, making it an excellent option for users who want to stay active without heading to a fitness center. High-powered vibration for targeted muscle work. With 2300 plus RPM, the machine delivers strong vibrations to stimulate muscle contraction. It's effective for both lower and upper body workouts. Plus, it comes with detachable resistance bands so you can add arm and shoulder exercises for a more complete session. Dynamic oscillating motion technology. The oscillating vibrations not only help build strength, but also reduce the appearance of cellulite and tighten skin. This technology helps improve blood flow, activate deeper muscles, and enhance overall fitness results over time. Pros: engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, supports weight loss and toning in one device, compact and space-saving design, includes resistance bands for upper body training, easy-to-use plug-and-play setup, enhances blood circulation and skin appearance. Cons: not suitable for people with certain medical conditions. May feel too intense for first-time users. Start with short sessions. Lacks a built-in screen for guided workouts or preset programs. Final thoughts. The Hurdle HUR-VBTR30 vibration plate exercise machine is a smart investment for anyone looking to enhance their fitness routine at home. It delivers powerful vibrations, targets multiple muscle groups, and offers both aesthetic and functional results, all in a compact design that fits most spaces. Whether you're a fitness beginner or someone looking to supplement your gym routine, this machine offers convenience, effectiveness, and value in one package. Check the product link in the description below to learn more or make a purchase. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Best Product for more helpful guides and fitness gear insights. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.